Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix fail to play tracks error in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the music app. Now click on music app and then click on storage usage, and here you can clear the cache of music app. After clear cache of music app, then go back to your home screen and click on Play Store. Now search here PowerRAM and install this PowerRAM app. After install this app, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.